We have big breaking news coming in. Several casualties are feared after a blast ripped through the Madrasa Haqqaniya in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa's Nowshera district. 5 people have been killed, 10 injured in a suicide attack in Peshawar. The explosion took place during 5-day prayers in the madrasa's main hall, with authorities now declaring an emergency in Nowshera, as confirmed by the local reports. Now, the Inspector General, speaking to local media, said that it appears to be a suicide blast. As per initial investigation, some are injured and some are among those who are killed. Gursimran is joining us live on this broadcast. Gursimran, tell us about the latest blast that has claimed the lives of at least 5 people and 10 of them are grievously injured. What's happening in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa?
See, it is seen as the target was the Taliban leadership. Reason being that if we speak of Sirajuddin Haqqani or the senior leaders of the Taliban, they have been here, they have been trained here, and this entire area is known as the hub of Taliban, Darul. And the suicide bomber, they rocked at a time when the Friday Namaz was going on today afternoon, in which more than 15 people are believed to be critically injured. There are some reports of the casualties that have also taken place. This clearly shows that the target was mostly those associated with the Taliban, because this area, especially of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, is considered as hub, because Sirajuddin Haqqani and other top leaders of the Taliban, they have been here in the past as well, and at present also there have been those senior leaders, those who are directly associated with the Talibani network here. So it seems that this has been done against them, but yes, more details are emerging, but this is clearly a suicide attack that has been confirmed by the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa IG while speaking to the local media. And it's important to mention that we are witnessing that how the Pakistani establishment has also gone against the Taliban, stating it that they are also helping the TTP to carry out their attacks in the Pakistani land and is giving a shelter to the TTP. So was it a retaliation to the same? That is what has to be seen. But for now, more than 15 people, they have been critically injured, out of which some are feared to be dead. We'll be continuing with this rolling coverage right after the short break.